Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hummus salad dressing. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need one 15-ounce can of chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of tahini, the juice of 1 lemon, and 2 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Also, have 1 clove of garlic, some water, and a pinch of salt and pepper on hand. A food processor or blender will be your best friend for this recipe. Now let's get blending. Start by adding your drained and rinsed chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of tahini, and the fresh juice of 1 lemon to your food processor. Next, toss in 1 minced clove of garlic, about 1/4 cup of water, and a half teaspoon of salt. Process these ingredients until they form a wonderfully smooth and creamy base. This step is key for that perfect texture. It's time to perfect the consistency and flavor. While your food processor is running, slowly drizzle in 2 to 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. If the dressing is too thick, add 1 to 3 tablespoons of cold water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until it reaches your desired pourable consistency. Finally, give it a taste and adjust with more salt, pepper, or lemon juice as needed. Your delicious homemade hummus salad dressing is now ready. This versatile dressing is fantastic on green salads, grain bowls, or even as a flavorful dip for vegetables. To store any leftovers, simply transfer the dressing to an airtight container and keep it in the refrigerator. It will remain fresh and tasty for up to 5 days, so you can enjoy it throughout the week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.